All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and welcome to my Supreme Paydays review video. I'm inside the members area here, and today I'm going to open up each module, share what I've learned, give you my thoughts, and you can see whether you want to check this out for yourself. Now, what is Supreme Paydays? It's basically a really good training put together by this geezer here called John Newman. I've reviewed one of his products before. He puts out some really good stuff, and he is going to give you a method for making money online. And let me see if I can pull up the method that he gives you here. It basically looks like this, okay? So you have what's called a squeeze page or a lead capture page where you're gonna send traffic to. You're gonna be able to take people's email address and you're gonna be able to put them on an email list where you've got a follow-up series which is gonna point them back to different offers. And the great thing about this method is that the offers that you're promoting, they're often high ticket offers with recurring commissions, and they're either on Warrior Plus or ClickBank. So those are the offers there. But what I like about John's method here, and which I haven't seen before, is that John, in between this step here, he's got something called the Rotator, all right? And the Rotator is basically people are going to come through, and maybe if you're promoting 4 different offers here, okay, it's going to rotate. Okay, so 25% of the people are going to go to one offer, 25% to another, 25 to the other, 25 to another, split across 4 different offers. And basically you'll start to see which offer is converting the best and which is getting you the sales. And then what you can do is you can go and kill the other ones and just focus on the best one, okay? So that's a really nice way of basically split testing traffic to different offers to see which one is performing the best. All right, so that was very cool. It's a good method, and John is basically going to show you how to set this up step by step. Okay, so he's going to show you how to find offers on Warrior Plus, on ClickBank. He's going to show you how to build your Rotator using something called ClickMagick. Okay, he's going to show you how to build your funnel using ClickFunnels. He's going to show you how to set up your your squeeze page, your lead capture page. He's going to show you how to set up your autoresponder. John is using Aweber. I use GetResponse. They're both pretty decent. I prefer GetResponse myself. And he shows you how to set all that up. He's got email follow-up for you. He shows you how to set it up. And he also has done for you swipes, which is really cool. Okay, so he's going to give you a swipes PDF and a follow-up series code, so you can just import all these pre-written emails straight into your autoresponder. That's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. Okay. Next bit is testing your funnel, just making sure it's traffic ready. Make sure everything's working and conversions working, and you are collecting emails as you should be. And the next bit is getting traffic. All right. So the first method that John gives us is paid traffic using solo ads. All right. And if you don't know what solo ads are, it's basically you're leveraging someone else's email list. Okay. So you've got people that have built up huge email lists in certain niches. Maybe the Make Money Online niche, they've got 100,000 people on their list, really good targeted buyer traffic. All right, and you can go and you can find these people and you can basically give them $100 for 200 clicks on your link, and it's a great way that they'll basically blast your link to their list. You can start getting some sales and getting some traffic from that, and also collecting emails onto your own list. All right, so John shows you how to do all that. What's great about this bit of training here is he recommends sellers, solo ad sellers that he's used before in the past. Right, so he actually gives you a few names that you can go and use that he's had success with. That's very good, because that way you're not shooting in the dark, you're not wasting your money on people who are sending you bad traffic. John gives you some recommendations. Okay, he also gives you a recommendation of his top converting traffic source. It's a geezer called Wayne. All right, I can't remember his last name, Wayne, and John uses him. He's a bit more expensive apparently, but he sends really good traffic. All right, so there's a couple of paid sources there. He then shows you how to monitor and scale, and this is worth looking at. This screen, check this out, because this is worth a look. John's killing it. John's absolutely killing it. Look, 4,000 in the last 30 days, 300 yesterday, 344 today, doing really well with this method. Okay, so if you go through it, take a bit of time to set up. Obviously, you can see there's quite a bit of training in here. It's not that hard, really not that hard, and those little done for you elements that he gives you really speeds things up. But yeah, if you go through, I'm not saying you'll get these results immediately, but this is potentially what you could be making if you're consistent and persistent. All right. Excuse me. The next bit is a free traffic method. This is a very nice method that John uses here. He basically is using his Facebook profile as a funnel, all right? Like a profile funnel, you could call it, where he's basically adding people from different groups who might be interested in make money online, and he is sort of siphoning them off into his funnel and into his squeeze page and into this thing that we just set up. Okay, the same free traffic method too, the same, but using Instagram to do it, using an automated software which is actually going to go out and find these people for you. Find people in the niche and goes and follows them, and once they see that you're following them, they're like, who's this guy? They come, they check out your profile, they click your link, bam, they're into your funnel. Again, same sort of principle. And then we've got done for you offers. This is very nice, by the way. If you're new to making money online, new to affiliate marketing, and you don't really have much of a reputation, it can be difficult getting your affiliate links approved on platforms like Warrior Plus. Well, John's going to give you John's going to immediately approve these links for you, so at least you've got a few campaigns that you can run with and a few products you can promote straight away, which is really good. So you can start making a bit of money. And then we've got case study, just to show you that all this works. I already showed you that it works on John's thing. And then you've got conclusion and next steps, you've got bonuses, you've got other resources and all that sort of stuff. And then you've got the upgrades, okay? But that's the front end product, and it's solid, all right? It's solid. You can see John takes you through step by step how to put together a funnel and then send traffic to it, okay? Really good training. The only thing that I would change myself is that some of the tools that John recommends are a bit more expensive than what I use personally and what some other people use. And John's just showing you what he uses himself, so that's not a diss on him. But obviously, if you're on a budget, you can find cheaper ways to do some of this stuff. But apart from that, really nice training from John. Again, pleasure checking this one out. And highly recommend it. All right, I'm going to leave a link to this below this video. If you do want to check it out for yourself, you want to learn a little bit more, go ahead and click that link. And I'll leave it at that. All right. Wish you all the best. Take care wherever you are in the world. And I'll catch you real soon. All right. Keep killing it.